My Not So Adobe Creative Cloud Photoshop Edition. Hello everyone, it's Josh here. And I've been playing around with photography, graphic design, and other creative ideas for a few years now. So, I've had some time to search the internet for different types of programs to help with what I needed to get done. First off, I hate spending money on anything. Why would I spend my hard-earned money on something if I'm not even sure it is what I need at all? So when I needed to get an image editor for photography, my mind went straight to what everyone else is thinking right now. Pizza. Just kidding. It went to Photoshop and Lightroom naturally. That is all you ever hear about people using to get these awesome professional photos. But after I made it to the download page, I see the price for the Photoshop Lightroom bundle. I'm sure there is some way to buy the programs outright, but all I see is paying $20 a month for something I had no idea how to use. And I'm sure it was going to take me more than just a month to figure out how to efficiently use the programs. This was a hobby of mine, not a profession. So I did what any half-smart cheapskate would do. I Googled alternatives to the programs, and it was well worth it. I found my all-time favorite image editing program, GIMP. GIMP stands for New Image Manipulation Program. This program has been around for a while. It's free and open source, so already better than $20 a month. Making logos, manipulating photos to make something surreal, or creating your own digital masterpiece. You can do it all with this thing. Downloading it is simple. Pick your OS and away you go. Just in case you can't find any tutorials to help you learn the program, which is highly doubtful, they have a whole page set up on the website to help you out. Last but not least, you can help out the development team with a donation for all the hard work they do to keep it right up with Photoshop. Okay, now let's get into the GIMP interface for a minute. This program is amazing. You can do almost everything with it that you can with Photoshop. You can even import Photoshop brushes into the program to use normally. Now I'm going to speed through showing you just some small things that can be done. I'll even show you how easy it is to make the Universal Free logo. It's simple with a little practice. There, done. Now I hope this video was helpful for you and wish you the best of luck on your way to learning everything. Keep a lookout for part 2 of my Not So Adobe Creative Cloud, Lightroom Edition. Universal Free. Like and subscribe. You got this.